Unboxing the meaning of cake box. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unwrap the layers of meaning behind the phrase, cake box. You might be thinking it's just a box where you put a cake, right? But as we'll see, language is like a delicious dessert. There's always more to enjoy once you dig in. So let's get started and discover all the sweet details. When we hear the phrase, cake box, the most straightforward meaning is a box specifically designed to hold a cake. It's usually made of cardboard and is often decorated with motifs that suggest celebration, like ribbons or balloons. It's designed to protect the cake during transport and sometimes to make the presentation of the cake more appealing. In this sense, it's a very practical term with a clear, concrete meaning. Interestingly, cake box can also have a more figurative or symbolic meaning. In some contexts, it might be used to refer to something that seems simple and straightforward on the outside but contains something special within. Just like a cake box that looks plain until you open it and find a beautifully decorated cake inside, a situation or person described as a cake box might have hidden depths or surprises. Sometimes, phrases like cake box become part of idiomatic expressions. While cake box isn't commonly used as an idiom, it could be part of creative expressions such as life is like a cake box, a twist on the famous life is like a box of chocolates line from the movie Forrest Gump. This would suggest that life is full of surprises and treats, just waiting to be discovered. Now, let's see how to use cake box in a sentence. If you're going to the party, could you pick up the cake box from the bakery? She's such a cake box, modest on the outside, but full of talent and ideas on the inside. Notice how the context changes the meaning from literal to more metaphorical. Thank you for joining me today as we opened up the cake box of the English language. Whether it's holding a delicious dessert or symbolizing the surprises in life, this phrase shows us the richness of language. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to find the sweet side of English in every phrase. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.